Okay, so this is the beach here in Jida today. It's August 23, I think. And so yeah, there's a lot of people at this beach. And we're gonna be walking over towards this lighthouse, kind of going through all the people that are walking that way as well. And just trying to give you a little idea where we are. We're in an area called Jida, which is where the lighthouse is at. Okay, so we're gonna walk towards the lighthouse.
Hello.
Hello. Zhuhai. I love this city. I especially like because it's so beautiful and it's also so close to Macau. So it's easy for me to visit often, whenever I want. This particular one is a lighthouse. This is right next to the Jida beach, and then there's a lot of tourists that come up here, so you're gonna see a lot of, actually this one is, to be honest, it's like really popular with young people who want to capture the photographic, romantic image with a beautiful lighthouse in the background, or the beach side as well. So we're gonna be strolling along with the camera and kind of catching all the scenes of people getting their photo shots and just the beauty of the lighthouse itself and the whole scenery around it. And so yeah, I think it's a really cool video. And this particular video is, I'll put it on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And then I'll have other ones of Zhuhai as well. So anyways, like and subscribe, and you'll see more Zhuhai in the future. I'm trying to put one up every 5 days, so we'll see if I can keep the consistency of it, as long as anyways, let's get into it. Video first, 75 seconds, and then the walk and talk. Zhuhai, Lighthouse. Okay, so that's all the people coming by, so let me just jump down. And then we're gonna walk over towards that lighthouse right there. Let's see, that's called Love Post Office. I'm gonna check out this Love Post Office as well. Looks like people will come over here and kind of relax in the grass. Photographer over there. Huh. Lots of people everywhere in here. There's even a photographer, so we'll capture him. Okay. Lots of people up there as well. All kinds of people. And then they have that view, the lighthouse, and they also can view the crowds over there. Okay, so let's walk towards the lighthouse. See what's all in here. Got a lot of people here today in Zhuhai. Looks like there's more people over here too. I'm just gonna walk in here real quick. This will be part of the lighthouse tour here. Just kind of see what we can see. I hope that music doesn't affect the video. Good music. coffee shops. Strawberry. Yeah, kind of cool. So this is kind of a popular little spot for people going to the lighthouse. More photographers. Okay. Pretty interesting. Let's go around like this. Okay, looks like they got stuff for kids as well. And food. Squid. Love Peninsula. Pineapple ice. Sounds kind of tasty. There's a lighthouse in the background. And all kinds of kind of photogenic things everywhere. And I think here, I think they're doing pictures. Oh yeah. So everybody here is coming to get these pictures in this space. Then you got the lighthouse way over there. Some people on the rocks. Okay. So yeah, this is kind of a photogenic spot to get photos. So yeah, this is the spot. Can I get out of the way here? Oh. Pretty cool. Those are some good photos, actually. You framed that shot really nicely. So you're gonna walk all the way down to the lighthouse. Just as if you were here yourself. Okay. It's a nice view of the lighthouse right there. Okay. There it is. And then you got all these views. So I think we're gonna see lots of people getting some good views everywhere. Let's see. I think that's the bridge to Hong Kong right there. A long bridge. Yeah, there we go. There's even a Star Ferry, or not Star, but there's Macau Hong Kong ferries. They're going across underneath, along with the bridge. Okay. And there's more down that way as well. Okay. We have this amazing lighthouse right there too. Okay. And the sun is going down, so we get a sunset soon. We'll kind of walk out. It's a cool hat. Okay. So yeah, I think it's kind of a nice place for, I think it's actually mostly tourists here, based on all the cameras. People want to get the picture with the lighthouse in the background in particular. Very cool. So that's a slice of Zhuhai. For those that want to see a slice of Zhuhai. It's crazy that he put his little baby there. I guess it's okay. I guess it's secure enough, I guess. Very cool. And we're going to go over to the other side as well. So lots of people on this side as well taking photos. That's a pretty cool lighthouse. Okay, let me just see here. So I think that all kind of ends, and now we're just in this little space. Okay. I'll just kind of come through this sort of crowd of people right here. And that was the lighthouse, and also the stuff that's all around it. Kind of interesting, kind of cool. More food is down that way. Okay. And on that note, we're gonna end it for our video. Let me just go through this post office thing. It's kind of interesting. Then we'll just come out to the other end and capture the lighthouse. So, okay. There we go. I forgot about the music. The music might affect the video. That's the lighthouse right there. So let's just kind of move up towards the lighthouse, and then we're gonna end the video, get away from the music a little bit. So there we go, lighthouse, and all the people all the way throughout here.